The piece we're going to install now is the shifter one-piece overlay for the shifter cup holder. So we're going to prep the area by wiping it down with some rubbing alcohol. We'll send you some little rubbing alcohol pads, but certainly if you have a bigger thing of rubbing alcohol, it might make it easier. Just put some on a rag, and that just gets the dust and debris off the area. Then you want to use some adhesion promoter, which we will also send in the package. If you run out, any local automotive store would carry that, or you can grab some off Amazon. The one thing I will say with that, if you do happen to buy adhesion promoter in a can, just be super careful. Spray it on a rag before you wipe it, because it will spray around other areas and it is very sticky and will leave a film. So you want to just be really careful to put it on just the areas that you're going to be covering with the part. So the next thing you're going to do is remove the double-sided tape that's on the back. So it'll be probably colored the same as the part because of overspray. You just peel that off. It's double-sided 3M automotive tape, and sometimes that's what you'll get underneath. That's the sticky side. So once you have all the tape off, that's what it will look like underneath. And then you're just going to position it over the place you're going to install it, keeping in mind that you can move it around a little bit once you, like if you put it down and it's not quite in the right place, but you really want to try to get it pretty close, because it will adhere pretty well, and especially after you start pressing it in. Looks amazing. And there you have it, installed and looking awesome.